What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing back here with another video, and today we have the McLaren Senna and the 2009 Ford F-150. They are two Hot Wheels mainlines, and I'm gonna do a quick review of these two, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So yeah, just keep enjoying the rest of the video. So first, we are gonna look at the McLaren Senna. Now, I actually got this from Daily Diecast SG as well recently at a sale, and I'm super pumped to have this. I'm not really a big fan of the casting, but I have another orange version, orange variation of the Senna, and I thought, why not have this as well? So let's look at the spoiler right there. Girls Nation, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, the wheels spin amazingly as well. It's always a great thing to see, proper functioning wheels. We have this very bluish hue, this color going on variation. I'll show you the orange at the end of the video, but yeah, today the focus of the video is this car. Actually, I honestly, I'm going to be honest with you, I actually love this vehicle. I think it's amazing. I mean, look at that lines, that shape, that curvy vehicle, and the roof scoop as well. I think this is, it's amazing. And this dual tone color paint job actually goes amazingly well. I think McLaren and Hot Wheels, in fact, really did an amazing job with the paint. I'm a huge fan. I don't really hate cars a lot, but I think that was amazing. And here we have the Ford F-150, and I think this is the long bed variation to the car, because it does have a long bed, so that's why I assume. Oops. Anyways, once again, the wheels spin amazingly well. Really amazing vehicle. I am a sucker for off-road vehicles. I am a huge off-road fan. And this car really is it's one of those amazing vehicles. The security, it's nice. The windows are open, and it gives you a little perspective of the interior of the vehicle as well. You can see the steering. It's a left-hand drive vehicle, and yeah, the logos at the side as well as the back. And logo is big, so it's obnoxious, and you can really see what's going on. The back looks amazing as well. On the driver's side, we have the Goodyear decal and the Ford logo, just as the other side, as well as this really nice yellow pin stripe that goes around. And look at the front. I mean, that massive grille, that's really amazing. Maybe they could have put a bit more detail into the Ford logo, but I know you can't compare too much with mainlines, can you? And we'll just have a look at the bottom of the car for a bit before we continue. And yeah, I think this is an amazing vehicle, so I'm super pumped to have this in my collection. I do have a few off-road vehicles, and this is going to be an amazing collection, an amazing addition to the car. So let's have a look at both the cars. So let me know in the comments below, guys, if you had to choose between one of these vehicles, the hypercar, the Senna, or would you take a daily driver like the F-150? I think I would go for the F-150 really, because it's more practical. But at the same time, it's a McLaren Senna. You can never go wrong with it. But yeah, I'm a huge fan. So from here, it's just a little drive past, run through of the vehicles. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And there you can see right there, let me just zoom in, there you go, there is the other variation, and it was one of the first few cars I actually got in my collection. So it was really nice to have two different colors of the same model. So here's the McLaren Senna. I think that's really amazing. It's really cool. So guys, this is the end of the video. Just like that, guys, I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time. But just like that, guys, this video is over. Check out for other videos here on YouTube as well as TikTok. The link will be in the description below. But just like that, guys, this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.